Good day, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how we fabricate the flooring of a truck. First, we grind the main chassis. After that, we're painting the chassis. And then we cut a hole in the channel so the channel will stick in the main chassis. And then we install the channel in the chassis. And then we fabricate your bolts and body bolts. Then we install cross-beam bar. After we install, we full weld. Then we install the floor joints. And trim at the edge of tubular so the channel will stick at the edge. After that, we install the channel in the edge of tubular. Then we full weld. After that, we trim the edge of plate for the flooring. After that, we install the plate for the flooring. Then we fabricate the log guard and siding. After that, we install the plate for the siding. Then we fabricate the tailgate. Thanks for watching, and wait, the part 2 of this video, guys.